Hello, my name is Jenny Gurley, and today I will be taking you through a grounding exercise. This exercise is best done with your shoes and your socks off. We will be standing, but if you feel any pain or discomfort, feel free to go ahead and grab a chair or hold on to a chair. Eventually, you'll be able to stand up. Enjoy. Let's just start by rocking back and forth on our toes just a little tiny bit. And here, let's take our fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each individual finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open, close, open, close. Now take your toes and just place your feet flat on the ground. And now lift your toes off the ground. And here your toes will kind of just look like this, like they're spread off the ground, spread. So lift, spread your toes. Now individually, starting with your pinky toe, just put your toes down on the ground as they're spread here and just lift a little bit onto your toes. Lift. Okay, now come back onto the balls of your feet and lift your toes. Lift them up off the ground. Spread them back down onto the ground. And then just kind of, just acknowledge your toes. Flatten them out. They're stuck in shoes all day long. They really like to be flat. They like to be straight. Nice straight toes. We hold so much tension in our fingers and our toes, and we have no idea. Our feet are really, the center to all of our balance. So now we're going to start, and just put your feet hip width apart. And we're going to start with just a little warm-up exercise with the 9 breath, and just get into our squats here. So on each squat, before we squat, we're going to lift up, inhale out, exhale, squat down, in, up, exhale, squat down. Okay, on the last one, we'll inhale up, fill our bodies up with air, just hold it slightly at the top here. When you hold it, we will rush it out through our mouths, rush, and just hold it here for a few seconds. Just enough to really become grounded in our body. When we come back up, we'll come very slowly, gather all the energy so that we can collect it and hold it and use this energy throughout the day. So here we will begin. Feet are flat, toes are nice and spread. Feet are hip width apart. You got that weight just on the balls of your foot. That's the bubbling well. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. 1. In. Out. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. In. Out. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. In. Exhale. 6. Inhale. Exhale. 7. In. Exhale. 8. Inhale. Top it off. Hold it here just a slight second. Exhale. Let it all out. Pause. And slowly come up. Gathering, collecting all of that hot energy that you just made. Collect it in between your hands. Just feel it. See your Inhale. Exhale. 1. In. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. In. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 6. In. Exhale. 7. In. Out. 8. Inhale. Top it off. Exhale. Hold it. Nice. Control your breathing. Stand up. Control it. Keep it inside your hands. Keep it contained in this little section here. Bring it towards your body. Don't let it spill out. This is yours. You are earning it. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. 1. In. Out. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. In. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. In. Exhale. 6. Inhale. Exhale. 7. In. Out. 8. Last one. In. Top it off. Hold it here. And relax everything. Blow it out. Let it all go. Drop it into the earth. Control your breathing. Bring it all into the center. Don't let it go. This is yours. Just slightly press your hands. Feel it. Feel all of that energy that you collected for the day. Close it in. Bring your feet together for a second here. And here, we'll just rock up and down just a slight bit. You can bring your hands to the side just to make balance a little easier. Spread your toes each time you come up onto your toes. Lift back onto your heels. Spread your toes up off the ground. And when you go down, make sure you flatten them straight out. Flatten straight out. Oh, it feels so good. And then back to your heels. And again, up to your toes. All right, so this is going to be a challenge. We will start, I'm going to set the timer here. We will start with 3 minutes. You'll see how fast this will go. Our goal is to get up to at least 5. So here we go. Before I set the timer, feet are hip width apart, toes are facing outwards, and then we'll place our hands pointed out to each side and straight out. So as we do this, we're opening our heart. We're going to drop everything down into the earth, and we'll drop low and squat just a slight bit. I'm going to set the timer. Okay, let's get into position. Squat down, open your chest. Settle in here. And you don't have to do a deep squat at first. 3 minutes. Know where you are. Go ahead and close your eyes. Connect to your breathing here. Get your feet in a nice settled position. Drop into your body. Come into your body. Feel gravity. Feel the support of your body. Now we do this and we say this because this is Earth's medicine. This is that vitamin H that does not come in a bottle. This is vitamin H for horse stance. And this is the stance where we pay now or we pay later. And so truth be told, if we don't put a little pain in our bodies, eventually our bodies will take over with pain. And so we sit here, we stand here, so that we can begin to clear our heads, release our heads of any thought. Really, thought is what gets in the way of our healing practices. If we let our minds go, drop into the earth, the pain eventually subsides. We realize that it's our minds telling us, not our bodies. Our bodies can handle this. Our bodies are strong, adventurous, wise. And when we soften our mind, we can begin to listen and hear the things around us. Just continue to settle in, let it go, drop it all into the earth. We are almost there. And just breathe, connect, ground, separate. And here we are, 3 minutes is done, just like that. Bring your feet back together, and we are finished.